Sunday rice and peas. Use some flour to just pick it up. So now I've picked up everything. I'm just gonna allow it to steam until it dries out, then my rice is ready.